Okay, what I went ahead and did was I went ahead and pulled this out. We're not going to discard this piece here because I'm actually going to use it. I'm going to cut this up in strips and use it and glue it up, and I'll use it as standoffs for the piece that I'm creating. Let's come over here. Over here, I've gone ahead and taken just some rough sandpaper here, and I sanded off everything that you're seeing here, all those fuzzies that you saw over there on the mill. I got most of them off, and that's pretty good. Now, I'll use this, I just went and got some 100 grit sandpaper. Whatever sandpaper you can find should be good enough. Now, remember right here on these spots here on the A, how the tool could not actually get in there and cut that? Instead of changing that out, I just take a chisel here. I'll put it right there about where the spot needed to be for the letter. I just hit it with that, with a cut. And I'll come over here with the chisel here and just cut it like that. And just take my tool and just pull it out. That looks pretty good. You can actually kind of round that over a little bit, kind of give it a rounded look to get that out. So that looks good. And a lot of companies do the same kind of thing. They'll have some little process where they go to clean up their CNC milling operations and cut that stuff out. And I actually just take it and I don't even have to use a hammer and chip it out for me. So that gives that broken look like we had in AutoCAD that shows the letter. Now, the next thing you got to know about NDF is that NDF is a very porous material. And for it to really paint well, there's basically a three-step process that I go through. What I'll do is get some clear enamel, and what I'll do is I'll shoot a couple coats on it to seal it up. Then I may even come back with some spray Kills paint to seal it like a primer. But the main thing is to seal the pores of the material. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this. Get it good and sprayed. And I'll come back in about 20 minutes and spray it again. Get a couple coats on it. Kind of hit the edges, make sure you get the edges real well. And so that way it seals up the material. So it actually paints really good. I found that clear enamel works really good. I've done this many times. The clear enamel seems like it seals it like a sealant, and it's really good to do that. Okay, so we'll let that sit for now. We'll come back to this.